This is the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyadjian. I'm Maria Pashurdes. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. The US dollar was attempting to end its week-long losing streak on Friday as doubts about how soon a stimulus deal in Congress and a Brexit trade pact between the UK and EU can be finalized helped the world's reserve currency to claw higher. The spiraling cases of COVID-19 in the United States have added a new sense of urgency for lawmakers to unite behind a new stimulus plan to provide a fresh round of virus relief for millions of struggling businesses and households. Weekly jobless claims rose yesterday to the highest since mid-October, heightening concerns about the U.S. recovery. Congressional leaders are aiming to conclude talks before Christmas, but may need to pass another stopgap government funding bill if there is no agreement by today. The long wait for a deal has dented some of the past day's optimism, making way for mild caution today. The dollar index is trading slightly above 32-month lows, but the only other safe haven on the up was the Swiss franc, as both the yen and gold were under pressure. The firmer dollar pulled gold down from one-month highs after 3 strong days of gains. But the yen took a bit of a beating after the Bank of Japan signaled it is looking into ways at making its policies more effective, raising suspicion as to what its next move will be after keeping policy on hold today. Sterling was another poor performer as conflicting headlines on the state of the Brexit negotiations undermined hopes that a trade deal was imminent. Comments of substantial progress from the EU side contrasted with a gloomier view by British Prime Minister Boris Johnson, who said the talks were in a serious situation. Even if this was an attempt by Johnson to ratchet up pressure on the EU to back off on some of its demands, such as those for fishing rights, it's looking increasingly likely that the negotiations will continue into the last week of December. Stocks in Asia ended the day mostly lower as the increased risk aversion offset yet another record day on Wall Street on Thursday. However, the mood improved somewhat by the European Open, with shares in the region turning positive, along with U.S. futures. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.